Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Live Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cam. I'm going to talk about his radio scanner that he's been listening to about all day today, and also talk about my favorite YouTuber, paging Mr. Morale, because he's right now posting videos like all around Universal Studios right now, which honestly, I think this just looks so amazing, like what these guys get to ride on. Plus, also, there is like, there is like so much you guys can do. Like, regarding radio scanners at these places. Like, number one, you guys can go, you guys can ask them, but they may say no, but be aware of that. Now, I know that Busch Gardens would say no because I called them before. As they said, it's because of a security reason. Now, I know that Walt Disney World doesn't mind because Walt Disney World is like a bigger park, and it's nicer. And also, what I think, which is just really interesting for new people who has never ever seen my channel before. Um, so, so, um, so if you guys ever seen the Bloomington weather, it's just like any other weather here in any other state, but here it's like a lot more colder. It's not as cold as Alaska and Wisconsin in the winter. It's a little bit more like your kind of weather if you live like in Florida. If you guys like cold weather, if you guys go there to Florida. Plus plus plus, plus also there's like so much you guys can do like there at an airport. You guys can like listen to radio frequencies. You guys can listen to different amount of stuff. But you guys got to be careful. If you guys are like listening to like a lot more stuff, so plus also there's like multiple like different radio stuff you guys can like listen to. Like number one, Like number one, you guys can listen to the approach and departure. Number two, you guys can listen to like the radio frequencies over there, like at a different airport. So, like then after that, you guys have like multiple different kinds of YouTube stuff that you guys can do. So this is what the airline show looks like right here. So, so, plus also there's like many different options you guys can listen to. Like down there in Myrtle Beach. Like number one, you guys can like listen to like multiple different radio stuff there. But but you guys have like multiple different options for like flying. You, like number one, you guys can like listen to like number one, you guys can go over to like the Hudson News, and then after that you guys can wait inside there and listen to that, and then after that there's like multiple different stuff. So that right there was the radio frequency. This is Owen County, which is coming in right now. Plus, so plus also, you guys can find like several so that's what airline looks like. So plus also you guys can go find like different amount of stuff when you guys get there, like to the airport. Like 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 there at the airport, you guys can like number one, listen to the approach departure frequencies. No, number two, you guys can listen to like the radio frequencies in like multiple different areas on an aircraft. Now, once you guys get on an aircraft, which also you guys can find like multiple different airport stuff like when you guys get there to the airport. Cause this radius here, right here, this Home Patrol 2, it's actually, get this. So like then after that there's like several different like radio stuff you guys can listen to like on air on like an aircraft. So there's like multiple different radio stuff. So like then after that there's like several different radio stuff you guys can listen to like on a cruise ship. Like number one, there's a paging system. Number two, if you guys have the right stuff, you guys can listen to like the bridge. But sadly, you guys can't listen to like a radio frequency like out of Arizona. Alright guys, that's it for this YouTube video. Just to give you guys a recap on what we just talked about. We just talked about the different stuff you guys can listen to, like an airport radio. Number two, we talked about a radio frequency out of like the different areas. Sorry guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a great day.